Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a city in the United Kingdom, having a population of about 470,000 people. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Bristol, 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 Bristol. Bristol is known for its maritime history, vibrant art scene, and innovative industries. The city is home to the famous Clifton Suspension Bridge and the Brunel's SS Great Britain, showcasing its rich engineering heritage. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Bristol, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.